Greetings. It is time for 10 Geographical Oddities. Your host, Joseph Kursky, invites you to look at each photograph and give the correct answer for that location and what it describes. Because geography is fascinating and because geography rules. Choose the correct answer, therefore, for each oddity. Let's begin. Is this the National Ice Core Lab in Denver, Colorado, USA, or the National Uranium Lab in Astana, Kazakhstan? Is this the Gotokuji Temple in Japan, or the Keklok Sea Temple in Malaysia? Is this Torre Sant'Andrea in the Adriatic Sea in Europe, or the 12 Apostles in the Southern Ocean off South Australia? What about this? Is this the Atomic Accelerator Lab in Turkey, or the Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi in the UAE? Is this the Vadehra Art House in Delhi, India, or the Vanadu Art House in Hyattsville, Maryland? What about this one? Is this the Gasworks Park in Seattle, Washington, or Elektrostantsiya Park in the Ukraine? Is this Outdoor Art Objects in Ringkøbing, Denmark, or the Outdoor Museum in Casey, Illinois? Getting toward the end now, folks. Is this the Reserva Nacional de Fauna Andina Eduardo Abaroa in Bolivia, or the Gobi Desert in China? Is this Gibbs Farm in New Zealand, or Baxter Ranch in Texas? And finally, is this Territorio de Zaguates in Costa Rica, or Walla County Stray Dog Park in Washington? All right, let's give the correct answers now and see how you did on our Geographical Oddities quiz. This is the National Ice Core Lab in Denver, Colorado. I used to actually give tours here while I worked at the U.S. Geological Survey. And this is Gotokuji Temple in Japan. Lots of cats. This is Torre Sant'Andrea in the Adriatic Sea off Europe. It kind of looks like the 12 Apostles, but it is not. And this is indeed Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi in the UAE. Number 5, this is the Vanadu Art House in Hyattsville, Maryland. And this is Gasworks Park in Seattle, Washington. Number 7, this is indeed the Outdoor Museum in Casey, Illinois. And this is the Reserva Nacional de Fauna Andina Eduardo Abaroa in Bolivia. This is Gibbs Farm in New Zealand. And finally, this is the Territorio de Zaguates in Costa Rica. Well, how did you do? I hope you did well. These images are courtesy of one of my favorite collections, and now it is also a book, the Atlas Obscura. So thanks to the Atlas Obscura folks, and thank you for participating and for being curious about your world through the study of geography. Thanks.